around the 10 to 11 cent mark at the time. So if those of you that have taken the trade would have pretty much doubled your money. It is up about 26% in the last 24 hours. High, not all-time high of 0.2 cents. So 1.11 to 1.1 cents, excuse me, not 10 to 11. Got my decimals wrong there. And some pretty big volumes being traded, up 30% the last little while. So those of you that took that trade, congratulations, you would have doubled your money by now. Those of you that didn't, I still think it's not too late to take that trade because it's about a third of its all-time high now. And go have a look at my link in the description for the video on Dent and how to trade it, as well as my Binance tutorial and my Binance referral link, where you will get an extra 5% for this trade. So just to quickly cover Dent, for those of you, again, congratulations. Please comment if you did take that trade. Let me know if you guys want to see more sort of videos on things like Dent. These are some good trading opportunities, I think, short and long term. So please let me know if you guys want to see more of that. Anyways, back to Student Coin. So when we look at Student Coin, I think the last time we were at about phase 104, which was on Thursday. We've gone through 5 more phases, pretty much, just shy of 5. So what is that? 3 to 3.75 million rand more should be. I haven't checked the numbers again. But again, it goes nicely ticking over. It's now at 1.8 cents a share. So again, those of you that want to look at how much it's trading for over on CoinMarketCap, let's put them side by side. So if you look at CoinMarketCap, it had a sort of another all-time high again on the 2nd, 2 days ago, of about almost 26 cents. And that's right now, it's down a little bit in the last, let's say, 24 hours or so. It was close, pushing that, excuse me, I said 25 cents, 2.5 cents, again, almost 2.6. So this is 2.45, something with decimals. I think I'm still on holiday today. Had a slight little dip for a while, but nothing major. Back up. So it's pretty consistent here between this 2.2 to 2.4 cents still. And if you go up to the website, so you're still getting about 24% more, 24% saving by purchasing it straight on the website. Not that you can purchase it anywhere else really, but well, I'll get to that in a second. But of what it's listing at, so you guys are still benefiting from this ICO. Now, in the previous video, I did make mention of the fact that they have listed on 3. What does I say? 3 listings have been announced. So let me just pull those up here. I did put links to it. So Probit, Consbit, P2P, B2B. So if you guys want to go have a look, these are the listing dates that they'll be listing on. So not just yet, but basically, again, this is 3 more platforms, and I really hope they could list on Binance as well, being the biggest, in my opinion, trade. Hopefully on Bittrex, and a whole bunch of other exchanges. And this is when the price is really going to start to shoot up, because they'll be more readily available to everybody else. And I think by that time, with hundreds of thousands of users, again, for all the reasons we spoke about earlier, it's going to be quite a bit of a shoot up. So I'm quite happy with this announcement. Of course, the more places it's listed, the more people can buy it, the more there can be supply and demand for it. So I think this is fantastic. Now, just going back to another announcement that they have is the STC wallet, which can be downloaded right now. So this is on your Launchpad, but also if you want to go look at their Facebook page, then you can go get the links right there. But basically, I mean, it's available right here on Google Play, and it's also available on your Apple Store. Now, 2 other interesting things that I found. The first one was the education. So Student Coin education is now listed. So if you go to this page, studentcoin.org/education. You've got a part 1 for technologies. You've got part 2 here for cryptocurrencies. It can teach you about cryptocurrencies, securities, or security investing, and crypto assets libraries. So there's a bunch of educational stuff. This is already launched, so this is also great because again, they're doing exactly what they said they would. And if you go into an introduction to blockchain, just have a look here. There's a bit of reading work for you if you'd like. Next, next, next. So they've got some questions and on and on and on. So you can educate yourself there. And some more blockchain utilities, number 2. And on and on. Then what's also launched recently is the voting. So the voting is up and running. So there's just a quick introduction how it works. And you guys can go read up over here on voting. So basically, all the steps are here, and it takes you through the entire process. So we'll see how this plays out for now. They do have some upcoming polls if you'd have to look. So the first one starts in Q3 in 2021. So do a little bit more watching of this, but basically they've got some polls: Harvard, Stanford. They're going to do Rice, Princeton, Mumbai, Delhi, and here's some of the past polls or what you could see. So let's have a look here. Vote for the first French university to integrate within. So yeah, so this is pretty cool. As we were talking about earlier, in earlier videos and earlier discussions, how they're going to roll out their plan, and they have been rolling out their plan, and basically how cool it is that you've got the voting, the staking, the education process, and everything is educational backed. So Student Coin keeps ticking along. Again, on that timeline, as they said, they're going to always. There we go. That's the timeline. But if we look over here, so the rounds are 150. That's the remaining pool. Let's see if they actually get to that point. I'm sure they will, though, with all the interest behind Student Coin. By that point, there'll be 5 billion Student Coins. So it's another opportunity for everybody to go buy some more Student Coin if you believe in it. If you're happy with where you're at, which I know a lot of you are, you can just keep your holding as it is. I will be buying some more, I think. It will basically will push my average price up, not a fair amount, maybe by like 40%, but 30 to 40%. But I mean, it's worth it, I think, to get more invested or get a bigger holding in this coin. Now, just again to see the timelines. So again, they're announcing the different exchanges. Now, these are not necessarily coinciding with these dates. So they said here 15th of May, 12th of May, and 13th of May. So it'd be interesting to see what happens at these European exchanges, the global exchanges, which ones they get on board. I'm really hoping they get Binance on board. I think a lot of people, most people I know trade with Binance. They do. There's also Bybit, Phoenix, but hopefully they get all of them on board. That would be fantastic. So then you can actually trade on my trading tutorial that I have for Binance, particularly. It works very similarly for Bybit. And it's without leverage trading, just the most basic trading. So I'll again put that link in the description for Dent if you want to trade Dent, and to potentially to familiarize yourself if they do. I'm not saying they will, but if they do, get Binance on this listing. So have a look at the link for Dent, my original Dent video, how to trade it on Binance. Have a look for the link in the description for an extra 5% on your Binance trades. A link in the description, original Student Coin video, link in the description for Student Coin referral to get an additional 5%. And yeah, please comment, like, subscribe, share. Thanks for all the likes on the videos. I think we're averaging like 1 like per 10 views, which is great on the last video. Let's see if we can get the next video to just 15 likes. That's not a lot to ask for. So if you guys could get it to 15 likes, that would be fantastic. And yeah, just keep spreading the word about Student Coin. And I think, again, we are in the initial coin offering, so it is the initial phase, but I really think this thing is set to explode pretty soon. Again, all of the opinions stated in this video are just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. And please don't do your own research before doing anything. Don't take my word as gold, as they would say. And please do your own research. I'm hoping that I can educate you and just give you some tips and what I think are great moves and great coins. So let me know what you guys think about the 3 new listings and what you guys think about the app. Have you downloaded the app yet? Will you be downloading the app? How do you feel about your holding? All of that stuff. So yeah, hopefully we get some good news soon on some more listings. And as always, happy trading.